everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sarah's View. Today is day 9 of the swimming series program. If you're watching this video for the first time, we're learning swimming in 20 days. Please go to my channel playlist swimming series to watch it from the beginning. Today we are gonna practice freestyle without kickboard. Come, let's learn together. These activities. Once you are done, please go check my day 10 video in the swimming series playlist. Bye. Have a great day.